So we are going for our event and literally we are late because of these two.
आम दोगांयक लागून आम नेसपा टायम काडो तेका लागून आज आमी लेट भायर सरा.
Hey Shaiba, when you reach there, you remove your pant, okay? This is only for you traveling time.
Come first. We trade. You take, you come. See, don't you can come. Taking you call. What's your name? What's your name? You ask. What's your name? You ask.
Marian.
What's your name?
Marian. Yes, and now this is what it is. लोकांगे प्रॉपर्टी ब्रेक कोणाय ती ऑलरेडी केली. Video for helping us.
This girl is the sweetest girl.
Yes,
Sweetest.
helping us get drinks.
I'm not frightened. I'm very nice. Okay, go here. Because of you, he's all frightened of me here. Come forward. Can I have a bit more energy? Are you ready to welcome them? Are you ready to welcome Risha, Raya, other Rio? We have Janisha. I mixed their names. Sorry about that. Rio, Janisha, and Jarek. Let's go. Y'all can stop her. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you can open and keep it ready, and I'll tell you when to pop.
एक बरो चेड दिसची पडा पुरो एक चोय उदकून चोयता तेका चोय 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 चोय.
Thank you is a powerful prayer that says it all. Good evening, one and all. On behalf of my mom, dad, and my entire family.
1. God bless you.
My name is Skylar.
And what have you got today?
A water bottle.
Because
Because baby likes water bottles more than their toys.
thank you so much. Yeah.
And I'm going to say tissue and I'm going to grab the tissue. Those who have the tissue, shoulder, knees, run to the tissue, head, stand straight. When I say head, stand straight. Straight. Head, shoulder, knees, head, tissue.
Hey.
Ready? Okay, not telling anyone, huh? Not telling anyone. I like that you're following my content. Thank you very much. We have 21. One chair, and done. Sorry. And grab a Coke bottle. Done. Show you a lesson, right? Look at this. Where is our photographer? Where is our photographer? Rio, Janisha.
For the Bahamas on the boat, life is funny.
Continue keeping this beautiful family and the children in your prayers. They require it from now on in this journey in Jesus as they walk through life. God bless, take care. This is your host, your Bushu signing out for today. See you all at the next function when you'll book me next. You can book One of the best things that they have done in this function that I loved is they have kept takeaway boxes for anyone who wants to take home the food, because food is left over and it's very difficult sometimes to store. So my baby is like, grab it